Welcome back, writers. Today we're embarking on a journey through the world of poetry, using one of the language's most versatile tools, prepositions, to support you along the way. These simple words have the power to transport us above mountains, beneath stars, or right into the heart of a forest. Let's start with a poetic adventure. The nervous deer ran across the hills, under a tree, until he came to a winding river. See how each preposition adds depth and direction to our story? Now it's your turn. Imagine where this deer is headed and what it encounters along the way. Use the prepositions to paint a vivid picture of its journey. Remember, poetry is about expression. Let the words flow from your heart. Whether your deer leaps through whispering grasses or toward misty mountains, each phrase you choose weaves a richer tapestry. And when you're done, share your poem with friends or family. We can't wait to see where your words take us.